मॉडल एक्टिविटी टास्क क्लास 9 इंग्लिश उत्तर सहित प्रेजेंटेड बाय माध्यमिक न्यूज़ रे। नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं शिव प्रसाद चौधरी। देखते हैं क्लास 9 का मॉडल एक्टिविटी टास्क का उत्तर दोनों क्वेश्चन पेपर का एक साथ। तो पहला पेपर, रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो। I was traveling in a bus. It was bitterly cold night, and even at the far end of the bus, the east wind cut like a knife. The bus stopped, and two women and a man got in together and filled the vacant places. The younger woman carried a little Pekingese dog. The conductor came in and took their fares. Then his eyes rested on the beady-eyed dog. I saw trouble coming up. This was the opportunity for which the conductor had been waiting, and he intended to make the most of it. I had marked him as the type who had a general vague grievance against passengers who came and sat in the bus while he shivered at the door. You must take the dog out, he said. I shall certainly do nothing of the kind. You can take my name and address, said the woman. She had evidently expected the challenge and knew the reply. You must take the dog out, that's my order. I would not go on the top of the bus in such weather. It would kill me, said the woman. Next. Fill in the following table, statement and reason. Reason is, the conductor noticed the Pekingese dog. Statement, trouble came up. Trouble came up. Now second statement, the conductor had grievance against the passenger. Reason, they were set and he was shivering at the door. Now third statement, the woman did not want to go on the top of the bus. Reason, the night was bitterly cold. Now reason, the woman knew the reply of the conductor's order. Statement, she had evidently expected the challenge. Now next page. Change the mode of narration of the following sentences. The little boys said to the stranger, we will not play with you. That is direct speech. Now indirect speech. The little boys told the stranger that they would not play with him. Next. Second, the old lady said to her daughter, today I am preparing a clay model for you. Now answer. The old lady told her daughter that she was preparing a clay model for her that day. Completed. Next page. Change the voice of the following sentences. First, they help us to do the renovation work. Answer, they help us to be done the renovation work. You can also change like this. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, as का भी कर दें. We are helped by them to do the renovation work. Okay. Second, the traveler knocks the door of the abandoned house. Answer, the door of the abandoned house is knocked by the traveler. Now third, the culprit, ये एक साथ हो गया, अलग अलग होगा. The culprit confessed his guilt. Now his own guilt was confessed by the culprit. आप चाहे तो his guilt ही केवल कर दें. और ना भी लिख सकते हैं। आगे पूरा हुआ। अब दूसरा एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चन पेपर। रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो। इसके पहले हम बता दें, ये जो आप पक्षी देख रहे हैं ये है वाइट हेडेड थ्रस, वाइट हेडेड थ्रस, ओके। और ये जो पक्षी देख रहे हैं आप, ये है टूराकॉस, टूराकॉस। और ये पक्षी है रॉबिन। और ये है, देख लीजिए ध्यान से, दो है यहाँ पर, ये है आपका पीकॉक और ये है पीहन, जिसको मेल पीहन बोलते हैं, यहाँ पर बोला गया है मेल पीहन, ठीक है। और इसको केवल पीहन ही बोला गया है, ठीक है। ध्यान दीजिए, ये मोर, ये मोरनी, ओके। मोर, मोरनी, पीकॉक, पीहन। ये हो गया आपका रॉबिन, और ये टूराकॉस, और ये वाइट हेडेड थ्रस। चलिए इनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं पैराग्राफ में। द एवरेज जू डे begins just before dawn. The sky will be slightly tinged with yellow. When you are awakened by the bird song, you can hear a robin singing. You hear the rich, fruity, slightly hoarse cries of the turquoise and a joyful blackbird. As the last of his song dies, the white-headed thrush burst into an excited cry. Looking out into the courtyard on the velvet green lawns, you can see an earnest group of peahens searching the dewy grass. A male peahen is dancing, his burnished tail raised like a fountain in the sunlight. Next, white-headed thrush. Now write the activities of the following birds. White-headed thrush, group of peahens and male peahen. Here is a white-headed thrush क्या करता है? Bursts into excited cry. A group of peahens search the dewy grass, and male peahen dances. Next, write the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. First, he, आपको भरना है am, will, is में से कोई एक। Arrive here by tomorrow. He will arrive here by tomorrow. Tomorrow है। B, C, is, has, have में से कोई एक भरना है। Been studying since morning. Since है तो has been studying since morning. Now see, they have come, came, comes में से कोई एक, from, for. Come, they have come, third form. Come, came, come, they have come, from, for. Next page. Write a letter to your friend within 100 words about the new importance of reading newspaper. Use the following points. Provides information, widens outlook, enriches knowledge, good habit. Now let us start. Here is your address, your own home address, top right side, and after the date and the title. Okay, it is my address, you write your address. 150 by FCS Mukherjee Street, Konnagar, Hooghly, West Bengal, pin 712235. Date है 30 May 2020. My dear friend, the daily newspaper reading will bring you a large world mind from your narrow local mind like well to see. Because newspapers usually have many topics. They usually include political events, crime, business, sports, and opinions. Many also include weather news. Newspapers use photographs to illustrate stories and also often include comics and other entertainment such as crosswords, and horoscopes. Many have opinion section. These sections print the opinions of people who work for the newspaper. The opinions, which are usually on stories in the news, are called editorials. Opinion section usually also prints short letters from people who read the newspaper. So, build a good habit to read the newspaper daily and enjoy the taste of success in life. Best of luck. Yours loving friend, Shiv Prasad. You write your name, but not title, only name. Okay, first name. Friend's full name and her postal address. Completed. आप सभी के जीवन में सुख, शांति और स्वास्थ्य बना रहे, इसी के शुभकामना के साथ मुझे इजाजत दीजिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।